Hi there, my name is Jesse, and today let me teach you how to create a talking avatar by just using your phone, without any laptop, and in just less than a minute. If you want to do this too, head over to my channel and hit the subscribe button.
Hey guys, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own talking avatar by just using your phone. Yes, you heard it right, no need for any laptop, and you can do this in less than 1 minute. As a bonus, you will only be using one application, no need for any switching. So why don't we jump right in? To start off, head over to Canva. I know some of you might be intimidated because for you to use some of the features, you will need a pro subscription. But don't worry, because there's actually a 30-day free trial subscription that you can cancel anytime, so you can use that and maximize it. When you open the app, this is how it's going to look like. And what you need to do is to click on the three lines on the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Now, once you do that, just look for the apps section and click on that. Click apps again, and it will lead you to this page. Now, what you need to do is to look for the search apps toolbar and type Nero. Now, once you see avatars by Nero AI, click on that and click avatars by Nero AI. Click use a new design. And here you can see that Canva has actually created some custom sizes based on where you will use the content that you're creating. So from Facebook, for example, Twitter, Instagram, and even your own calendars, bookmarks, everything that you need. And since we're doing this for a YouTube video, I'm gonna look for YouTube. There are two options here. You can see there's a YouTube banner and YouTube thumbnail. I'm gonna click on YouTube thumbnail, and you'll see a blank canvas here and a pop-up by avatars by Nero AI. Now it's going to give you 9 options on the avatar that you want. I think I would go with the guy icon here. So once you've chosen the avatar that you like, you just have to click on that. And the next thing that you have to do is to type what you want the avatar to say. Just take note that for now, there's a 250 character limit, but I'm sure that in the future, it's going to be expanded to a lot more text and characters. So you just have to remove or delete the pre-populated text and type your own here. Let me just do that for myself. Hi there, my name is Jesse, and today, let me teach you how to create a talking avatar by just using your phone without any laptop and in just less than a minute. If you want to do this too, head over to my channel and hit the subscribe button. There you go. In less than 250 characters. Next is you have to select the language. There are a lot of languages there, but I would pick English as my language. And you can also select the voice and preview the speech that you like. So let me just do that for the 2 male characters here.
This audio is generated with Nero AI technology.
Okay, let's preview the other male option. To do that, just click the other male icon.
This audio is generated with Nero AI technology.
Okay, I think I prefer the first one, so let me just click that one instead and click create your video. If this is your first time to use Nero, Canva will ask you to connect it to the account. You just have to click, and it will lead you to this landing page. You have a couple of options. For me, I would choose continue with email, and let me just input my Canva credentials. And you can sign in with Google or create a separate Nero account. For me, I chose sign in with Google. So let me just input my email address here and my password, and we're done connecting Nero to my Canva account. But if you don't want to sign in with Google, you also have the option to create your own Nero account, which is also totally fine. Once you're done, you just have to click create video, and avatars by Nero AI will render the video for you. And as promised, this rendering will only take a minute at most. can take even less, which is really fantastic and mind-blowing. So I didn't cut the video here so that you can actually see the wait time, which when I timed is just around 30 seconds or even less. So see it for yourself, and looking forward to the talking avatar that we have created. There you go, we are done. We can choose to select all photos, and Nero will actually transfer the talking avatar that we have created into the blank thumbnail that we have created at the start. So we just have to wait a couple of seconds for it to finish rendering, and what we need to do next is to resize this talking avatar so it's the full screen, but it really is up to you. So we're resizing it now here. Now let's watch the talking avatar that we created.
Hi there, my name is Jesse, and today let me teach you how to create a talking avatar by just using your phone, without any laptop, and in just less than a minute. If you want to do this too, head over to my channel and hit the subscribe button.
Wow, isn't that amazing? But hang on, because we are not done yet. I'm gonna teach you with very easy and very quick ways on how you can enhance and elevate this video further. To do that, just click the video and click effects. Just click background remover so that we remove the white background or gray background over here. It's gonna process the video quickly. Right now it's 1%, but trust me, it's going to be very quick from 1 to 100. So we just need a little bit of patience here, because you will really be amazed of the result. Now, while waiting for Canva to finish the magic of removing the background in just one click, let me try to explain what I'm doing here. What we need to do now is to remove the initial background that Canva created for us, and to replace that with a more interesting background that Canva would also have in its portfolio. And now that Canva is done removing the background, the next thing what we need to do is to head over to background and select which background we want to put under talking avatar. So for me, I think I want to go with something that is abstract. Maybe the first one looks nice. So let me click on that, and you'll be surprised with how it looks. See for yourself on how the finished product looks like. Wow, isn't that fantastic? Now, as for the last step, what we need to do is just to do one last final checks and just click on the download, and voila, you have your very own talking avatar that is enhanced with a very creative background.
Hi there, my name is Jesse, and today let me teach you how to create a talking avatar by just using your phone, without any laptop, and in just less than a minute. If you want to do this too, head over to my channel and hit the subscribe button.